Kinkakuji, or Golden Pavilion, is a Zen temple in northern Kyoto, Japan, whose top two floors are completely covered in gold leaf. Kinkakuji, officially named Rokuonji, is one of the most popular buildings in Kyoto, attracting many visitors annually. Its shining surface reflects into Kyokochi, or mirror pond. Stationed at the foot of Kinugasa Hill, the temple grounds are wooden and present a lovely place for strolling and meditation. The Temple of the Golden Pavilion is a story of a troubled young acolyte at a Buddhist temple who burns down the famous building because he himself cannot attain to its beauty. Originally built by Ashikaga Yoshimitsu in 1338, the Golden Pavilion is a fine example of the architecture of the Muromachi period. Roughly 10,000 gold leaves, each measuring about 11 centimeters, on a side, gilding a phoenix perched on top of the roof, and other places were replaced in the same period. In 1882, Amritsar from Banji Sikh Milsal paid homage at the Golden Temple and announced that he would renovate and rebuild it with marble and gold. The temple was renovated with marble and copper in 1809, and in 1830, Ranjit Singh donated gold to overlay the sanctum with gold leaf.